This is lot 110. That's lot 110, Bridgeport Series 1 vertical milling machine, 2 horsepower, variable speed spindle to 4,200 RPM. It has a R8 spindle taper, a 9-inch by 48-inch table, beautiful chrome ways. We have the knee handle, the quill handle. It has a 5-inch power quill feed, a Newall 2-axis digital readout, and a Servo longitudinal power feed. First I'll run the power feed. Rapid. Speed it up, slow it down. Note that was moving the readout anyway. X on the readout. It looks to be a 2/10 resolution readout. And here is Y, the cross feed. Okay, I'll start the spindle. Put a loose collet in there. Did a little better. All right, high range, quill feed. The power quill feed is engaged. The spindle speeds up and slows down. Variable speed to 4,200 RPM. You'll note this will kick out. If I want to reverse, quill feeds in reverse. Spindle off, brake.